In this video, I'll be showing you how to use AppListBackup. If you don't know how this app works, it's just an app that will help you have a list of all your apps so that you have access to them anytime you want. Okay, so I'm going to open the app. I'll leave a link to it in the description if you want. This is what it's going to ask for. So enable notifications, go back. Next, you have to choose a backup destination. For me, I always set mine to my internal storage, then the documents folder. I'll tap use this folder, allow, and now I'll tap run backup. So the app is going to take a few seconds to get a list of all the apps on your device and then save it as a list. You can see now it is done. So now if I tap view backup, you'll see now that it has all the apps that I have on my device as a backup, and you can send this backup to any other device you want. You just have to go to that folder where you saved it. So for me, it's in the internal storage and the documents folder. So this is the file over here. So this is what it's going to look like on any device that has the same backup file. And from here, if I wish to install any of the apps that I'm seeing, I can just tap on either the Play Store link. You can see it says Play Market here. So if I tap on it, it will take me to the Play Store. And if I don't have the app on this device, all I have to do is just tap install and it will get installed. So maybe I'll do an example for you to see. I'll uninstall AliExpress. Even though I don't have AliExpress on this device anymore, you can still see that it has already been backed up. So I can tap on this link now and then I can install it. So that's basically how you use the app. If you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.